Hey guys, I'm back with another video. We're doing a World War II game. It's about flying World War II planes around and killing everything. I'm also joined here with Jared. Say hi, Jared.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, go check out his channel. Greatly appreciate it. Anyway, let's get on going with it. Defend the... Okay, stay close, don't let them out of your sight. Okay, then. Oh my god, there's a lot of planes.
Frank, are you gonna upload it tonight?
Yeah. Let's see. Just got that guy. Hold up. I'll take care of these and I have to go back to my bombers. There's so many freaking German bombers everywhere. Man, those are freaking planes now, aren't they? Yeah, those are fighters. We're gonna take care of these guys. Oh, I got that guy. Dang, I shredded him apart. Oh, it is. Watch the video and you'll see. Am I gonna kill this guy or not? Okay, I got him. Oh, I'm supposed to take care of the bombers now, ain't I? Yeah, you get to respawn. Let's see. Okay, so we're killing everybody. Now, there's a lot of bombers, and there is a bunch of people jumping out of the plane. Holy crap, will that plane just go down already? And there he goes. Okay, what are you doing, Jared? Yeah, what are you doing? Nice. Yeah. Oh no, to get shot. No. Because all they are is bombers. There's a few fighter planes escorting them, though. Let's see. Now, if you guys want to see more of this, please hit the subscribe button and like. Leave a comment if you liked it or not. I'll take care of some of these fighters back here. Oh, I got him just right before he passed me. That is crazy. Well, I'm gonna watch this guy die. Yeah, he's going down. He's dead. Come on, get the freaking plane. There we go. Mission complete. Yeah, guys, we got it. Yeah, burn in hell. Well, they're Nazis, so...
What do you have like a Nazi walking in the video?
You know, I really wouldn't care. Be like, okay, whatever. You just think you're thinking things that are bad. All right, guys. Well, that's 6 minutes in the video. I think I could do another one. Should we do another one? Should we do another one or nah? Battle of Stalingrad. We can't do these yet. Dang it. Let's see. What is this? What plane do we get to use? You are tasked with inspecting our airfields in Kent. I don't really want to... I really don't want to fight bombers, but... Yeah, let's do this one. This one we gotta fight other fighters. The bomber ones are kind of easy because the bombers just keep going in a straight path. I'm supposed to just wait. Ah, crap. We got planes coming in. Oh, they actually hit me a few times. Holy crap. Bring it on. Okay, this is going to be kind of hard. No, I'm just doing single missions. There is, like, no one playing this game online, but whatever. Yeah. Yeah, this is first-person view, too, guys. Oh my god, we still haven't killed him. Wait, is he going down? I must have hit him enough where he's going down. Wow, I think he is going down. What the heck? He's not destroyed, though. I'm going to kill him before he hits the water. Never mind. He's just going down close to the water. Got him! Now, this other guy is chasing me. This guy's kind of tricky. Ooh, we almost hit each other. Come on, come on, come on. Get him! Yep, got him. Wow, that was a fast mission. Is he gonna hit the water? Yeah. But anyways, guys, that's just a little taste of this game. If you guys want to see more, hit that like button. Please comment if you want to see more. And also, go subscribe to my channel and Jared's channel. He will greatly appreciate that. Anything else, Jared? Well, until next time, this is Braden Case, signing off. See you guys.